Born in 1925, Sir John Compton devoted his life to public service, guiding Saint Lucia from colonial rule to full independence and serving several terms as Prime Minister. As a founder of the United Workers' Party, Compton worked tirelessly to build strong institutions, grow the economy, and create opportunities for all St. Lucians. Known affectionately as Daddy Compton, he was admired not only for his political skill, but also for his unwavering commitment to his people and his belief in the power of education, hard work, and community. During Black History Month, we remember leaders like Sir John Compton, who shaped their nations and inspired generations. His legacy reminds us that leadership rooted in service, courage, and vision can transform communities and empower people to achieve their fullest potential. Sir John Melvin Compton, though, sadly passed away in 2007, but his contributions continue to inspire the people of St. Lucia and the Caribbean as a whole.